Hello, welcome. Let's talk about fireplace. Fireplace in the living room to be precise. Let's go. So, do you have a fireplace in your living room and you just don't know what to do with it? Look no further. I am here for you. In this video, I will be sharing you some ideas I found online. Just think about it as me and you surfing through Instagram and Pinterest together. Okay? Okay, let's do this into three different categories. Let's start with inspirations from fireplaces with bare walls on the sides, then the ones with windows on the sides, then others that are weirdly placed in the spaces. Here we have the classic shelves on the sides. Hold up. Check out this asymmetry. My God. Look, you do not have to follow nobody's rule. You can do whatever you want and you come out beautiful. Look at this. Oh my God. Well, she's an expert. She probably had like 20 years of experience. But hey, you could just get lucky one day and just, I don't know. But yeah, this is one of my favorite, hands down. Turn up the lights. Turn up the lights in your baby. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Light it all up. The next few slides are fireplaces with dressers on the sides. And my all-time favorite, Moldings. Check this out. Do not be afraid to go bold. I love this. Isn't this beautiful? What do you think? Let me know. So this next few slides are other clever ways to design a fireplace wall with bare walls on each side, of course. Okay, I know this is not a fireplace, but it could have been. It could have been a fireplace. Just kidding. I just wanted to highlight the fact that they engaged the ceiling with the fireplace. It's just a brilliant idea. It's like thinking outside the box, and I just couldn't pass this by. So I have to show you guys. So just imagine and close your eyes and imagine there's a fireplace there. Use your imagination and imagine a fireplace here. I know, right? Fireplaces with windows on both sides. Now for windows on one side of the fireplace. If I had this in my house, no one will be allowed to touch it. This cannot be used as a fireplace anymore. This is not a fireplace. This is a masterpiece. This is an art. This is a sculpture. Do not touch, do not paint, do not decorate. Ooh, look at this beauty. Oh my god, I am in a dilemma now. I don't know which one I like best, this one or the previous slide. What do you think? Which one is your favorite? Well, I hope you've enjoyed surfing the web with me, and I hope you have enough inspiration and ideas on how to design your fireplace. If so, please like this video and subscribe. Thank you.